Deep beneath the crystal surface lies a massive coral rock formation selected for this ambitious glasshouse project. Engineers must first map the structural integrity of the calcium carbonate base to ensure long-term load stability.
The design utilizes a dual-level floor plan, carved directly into the natural hollows of the reef bed.
Logistics require a floating platform to manage the weight of machinery needed to excavate the dense coral rock.
Precision cutting tools are essential to prevent fracturing the surrounding ecosystem, while creating the primary structural foundation.
Removing the first layer of sediment reveals the solid foundation required to support a two-story glass residence.
Manual clearing ensures that the bedrock is perfectly level before the steel reinforcement cages are lowered into position. Each steel component is treated with anti-corrosive marine coating to withstand the constant salinity of the surrounding ocean. Securing the frame to the reef requires chemical bonding agents that cure instantly, even in high-pressure environments. Vertical supports are spaced to maximize the panoramic views while maintaining the immense pressure of the overhead water.
The glass panels are engineered to withstand 3 times the atmospheric pressure found at this specific depth level.
Lowering the glass requires absolute precision to avoid any contact with the steel frame during the descent process.
The bottom edge of the glass rests in a recessed channel lined with high-density rubberized sealing gaskets.
A multi-layered sealant approach is used to create a permanent moisture barrier against the intense external water pressure.
With the first level enclosed, and the structure begins to take on its final translucent form within the reef.
Removing the water from the interior allows the construction team to begin working in a dry environment underground.
The transition from a submerged space to a dry, habitable room marks a major milestone in the build. A central staircase will connect the 2 floors, creating a seamless flow between the submerged and upper zones. The second-story floor serves as a structural diaphragm, strengthening the entire glasshouse against lateral water currents. Strategically placed rocks protect the lower glass panes from shifting sands and potential impact from drifting ocean debris. This upper level is designed to stay partially submerged, providing a unique view of the breaking ocean waves.
Lower hydrostatic pressure at this depth allows for thinner glass while still maintaining a high safety factor rating. The junction between floors is the most critical seal, requiring a specialized interlocking pressure plate for total safety.
Visual continuity is achieved by using identical frame finishes across both levels of this hidden glasshouse project. A heavy concrete roof provides the necessary downward force to counteract the natural buoyancy of the air-filled rooms. With both levels now dry, the focus shifts to the internal fit-out and the life support systems. Power is supplied through a reinforced umbilical cable connected to a solar array on the nearby shoreline nearby. Redundant life support systems ensure a constant supply of fresh air, even if the primary ventilation is compromised. The choice of white marble reflects the natural light coming through the water, creating a bright, airy atmosphere.
Minimalist design choices emphasize the surrounding aquatic environment, rather than competing with the intricate natural coral textures.
Using glass for the stairs allows light to penetrate deep into the lower level from the surface above. The upper level serves as the social heart of the home, containing the kitchen and dining facilities today. Residents can watch the marine life interact with the structure while preparing meals in this unique submerged kitchen. The lower level offers maximum privacy and a direct connection to the deepest parts of the coral formation. Adjustable lighting allows the interior to match the shifting colors of the ocean throughout the entire day cycle. At night, the glasshouse becomes a beacon, attracting nocturnal marine life to the windows for the viewers.
Maintaining the clarity of the glass is essential, requiring weekly cleaning to remove algae and salt deposits.
Humidity control is paramount in a glass structure to prevent condensation from obscuring the panoramic underwater views. Access to the house is gained through a reinforced hatch that remains above the high tide watermark.
This platform serves as the transition point between the world above and the submerged living spaces below it.
From a distance, the structure disappears into the shadows of the reef, maintaining its status as hidden architecture. Luxury finishes are applied throughout the interior, ensuring the house feels like a high-end residence despite its location. Integrated technology allows the inhabitant to monitor all environmental conditions from a single centralized digital touch interface. Move-in logistics are carefully planned, as every piece of furniture must fit through the limited entrance diameter. A final robotic survey confirms that every seal is holding under the weight of the surrounding ocean volume. Interior design elements are chosen to create warmth within a space primarily constructed of cold glass and steel. The vertical transparency creates a sense of immense scale, connecting the seabed directly to the open atmosphere.
Wildlife interaction is a daily occurrence as the house becomes an established part of the local reef ecosystem.
Structural stability is verified through long-term pressure monitoring before the house is officially cleared for habitation.
While the surface may be turbulent and the submerged levels remain perfectly still, regardless of the external weather conditions, environmental protection is achieved by ensuring no wastewater ever enters the fragile coral reef surrounding the home. Natural light effects provide a dynamic and ever-changing interior environment that mimics the rhythms of the sea.
Dining in the glass house offers a perspective that few people on Earth will ever get to experience.
From the surface, the true scale of the two-story residence remains completely hidden from the naked eye.
Human scale provides a point of reference for the massive engineering feat required to build this underwater home.
The proximity to the reef allows for microscopic observation of the biological processes happening within the coral rock.
External illumination is used sparingly to minimize the impact on the natural behavior of the resident marine species.
The office provides a serene work environment, with constant movement from the ocean life, providing a natural backdrop. Passive protection systems are monitored regularly to ensure the structural steel remains untarnished by the corrosive seawater. Sunset creates a dramatic transition as the natural light shifts from vibrant blue to deep indigo and gold. The airlock provides a critical safety buffer between the pressurized entry point and the main living areas below. Rain creates a unique visual texture on the surface that filters down as flickering shadows in the bedroom.
Battery storage ensures that all life support and lighting systems remain functional even during a surface power failure.
Every piece of furniture and appliance is customized to maximize space and match the unique structural geometry here.
Bathing in this submerged space provides a surreal sensation of being completely immersed within the ocean itself today.
Large predators are common visitors, providing a constant reminder of the wild environment just beyond the glass walls.
The refractive index of the thick glass is carefully managed to provide the most accurate visual clarity possible.
Capturing the beauty of this hidden structure requires specialized equipment to handle the low light and high contrast. As the tide rises, the house becomes fully integrated into the sea, disappearing from the world above completely.
Celestial events at the surface create unique lighting conditions that are amplified by the clarity of the water.
The coral rock is a living foundation, and its health is vital to the long-term structural success.